Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find DoorDash coupon code that works in 2023. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google DoorDash, hit enter, and you need to search for DoorDash promo code. Okay, and you need to open the first website. And these are the promo code. Click on copy coupon that work in 2023 that you can use. You simply need to copy that, open the DoorDash website, and you can apply that code and you can get a discount. So this is the process by which you can get DoorDash coupon code that work in 2023. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.